guys, and welcome back. So in previous lecture we made all of our obstacles kind of move. So the next thing that we have to do is we need to add tags to all of our obstacles so we can actually know what we're doing when it comes to our script, when it comes to our future development of this game. So we just go to obstacle, click on the first obstacle and just add tag. So we're gonna add a tag called obstacle and click save and click on all of these obstacles and add them an obstacle tag. So click on the hierarchy section, click on the obstacle, go to inspector tab, click on tag and change the tag to be obstacle 1. So just to repeat that 4 times so all of these have their own tags. Okay, and what we're gonna do next is we're just gonna go to our prefab folder and select each of these one by one and drag them down to the prefab folder. So we have actually prefab of all of them saved. Okay, so you won't be able to actually drag all of them at once, so you have to do this one by one to not really confuse you if you wanted to do that. And the next thing that we have to do is actually we have to create a new script. So we're gonna create a script that is called controller. And what this script actually does is that it allows us to spawn random obstacles. So we're gonna have many obstacles spawning into a random position with the comments that we're gonna give to our programming language. So right now just click reload all so we have our project reloaded. And first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna initialize all of these obstacles. So I'm just gonna write public game object obstacle 1, public game object obstacle 2, public game object obstacle 3, public game object obstacle 4, and public game object obstacle position. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna demonstrate you that we're gonna create a collider that's starting right here. So when this collider gets hit by any of these obstacles, we're gonna create an obstacle here, for example. So every time we get hit by certain obstacle, we're gonna have a new obstacle created here, and so on and so on. That's gonna go infinitely. So as many times we collide with this, as many objects are gonna get created. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna create empty and just name it to start position collision, for example. Okay, and just add it a box collider 2D, of course, and edit this collider, just drag it up here. Okay, and just stretch it a little bit. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, and edit a rigid body 2D. And the real important thing is to turn off the gravity scale again. Hit enter. So, and we're gonna set a end position. So create empty, set end position, and this is gonna be just empty because we only need something to be existing into our engine. So our engine is gonna have clue where the new obstacle is gonna start. For example, I'm gonna set it to be here. So once again, we're gonna create a first start position, and when our obstacle moves to the left and hits this one collider, we're gonna have a new obstacle spawning here. And as our camera is going, so as our obstacles are moving to the left, this obstacle is gonna move to the left again. So we're gonna have all obstacles moving to the left, including the new ones that we're gonna create. So right now we're gonna what we declared is this one is the last position that our obstacle is gonna spawn on, and these 4 are the 4 obstacles that we have. So, and this is gonna be the new obstacle. Just remember that this is the position of new obstacle, position of new obstacle. And that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. In next video we're gonna finish this script and make our obstacle randomly spawning to random positions. Thank you for watching and see you next video.